Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to fix GTA 5 7002.1 error code. So let's start. Now for the first step, you need to go to the Windows Task Manager. You can see this upside arrow right here. Click it. If you do have an antivirus, you can go through your antivirus, or you can directly go to the Windows Security. So open it. After that, select Virus Protection. Scroll down and then select Protection History. You will find probably and most likely the game application right here. You just need to select them and then select Restore and make sure to add exception like this. For example, for Avast, open Quarantine, select the files necessary, go to these three dots and then select Restore and add exception. Now for the next thing you need to do, open the launcher that you have the game on. You can do this on Steam as well, but I'm going to show you on Epic Games. So go to your library, now search for the game, which is Grand, select it. As you can see here, you can see this three dots right here. You need to select that and then select the manage option. Now you need to click on verify in front of verify files in order to start the recovering of the missing and corrupted files. Just wait for the process to finish. Lastly, open the Rockstar Games Launcher. Now you just need to sign up and sign in with your right credentials. After you do that, go to settings in the top right corner and make sure to check the battle eye box right here. Now after all of that, go to the Windows icon right here. For the last step, go to settings and then go to Windows Update and make sure to download and install all the available updates you will find. Even if you find failed updates, just select retry all, wait for them to finish. After that, just go restart your computer and the issue should be fixed. If you found it helpful, consider subscribing and like the video, and see you on the next one.